Hey guys, this is Mrs. Ross or Sam. I'm not exactly sure where this video is going to go. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to add a class in Schoology so that we can see it in Securely. I'm going to add the class, but it's not going to automatically go to Securely. It's got to pull from it. I'm not exactly sure how long that sounds, but you may be asking yourself, why do I have to add a class in Securely, or in Schoology, my bad, everything starts with an S. So if we look at RenWeb, I have an honors physics class and a regular physics class. When I have to click on report card to see the kids, right? So in Securely, so that I can see my entire class, because I can see all of their screens, I need to make a Schoology class. I'm sure that made like literal 0 sense, but here is Schoology. Let's see, I'll go to My Courses. And I want to create a course. Okay, so my course name is going to be Physics. My course name is Physics. There's just one section, blah-de-blah. It has, I don't know, level, what in the world? I don't know, 11th grade, subject area, science. I'm not sure how many of these. Okay. And then grading periods, like all of them, I guess. I don't know. We're not using this for grading because we have Pearson, but what in the Sam Hill? No, not 2020. For the love. What do we have? Here we go. We'll just do that one, and then I'll also do term 4. Okay. Create. Delightful. So this is what I have. I'm going to have to add my members here. So add members. Because I can't remember anything, I'm going back to report card. I've got Maris, Lydia, Sophie, Blue, and Natalie. So let's see. Maris. There, search. Sophie. Oh, Lydia. Blue. Blue. I think he's Alex. There we go. And then I don't even remember. Okay, let's see. Natalie. So we have Natalie. Okay. And then let's see, for my honors physics, Bryce Trey Truitt. So Bryce Trey Truitt. Carly Bella Fisher Cooper. Carly Bella Fisher Cooper. Okay, so I'm going to add them. Now keep in mind, we're not going to use Schoology to push any content. We're not going to use Schoology for any grading. We're just using this so that we can get at it through Securely. And that took me 4 minutes, and I got lost a couple times. So that's what we're going to have to do for every one of our classes that has an honors in RenWeb, is we're going to have to make one of these. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.